previous session, we have implemented and secured a microservice using Spring Security, Oauth2 and Google Login. Today, we shall secure the application using same Spring Security, Oauth2 client and Facebook login. For that purpose, we shall use the same code that we did for the Google login. Only thing is that in the application.yml, we shall change, instead of Google, it should be Facebook. And we shall generate the client ID and client secret for Facebook. I shall show you. So those who are new to this channel, for them the Google login video link I shall share in the descriptions. So let's start creating our Facebook client ID and client secret and make the necessary changes. So for that, let me go to the browsers and developers.facebook.com. Oops. I make a typo. Developers.facebook.com, and just I log in with my email address or phone number, and I just log in. And let me log in into this. Sorry. So I give my email ID and let me log in. So I logged in, and then I need to go to my apps and we need to click create app. After that, let's create a consumer app and next. Then we give application name retail bank. Let me give it and let me create the app. So I need to give my password and submit. So this will create the applications. Now if I go to settings and basic, here I get the application ID, client ID and client secret. So let me copy the client ID, or let's keep it here. Let me go here. I just comment out the Google part, and instead of that, here we keep Facebook dot client ID and client secret. So what is my client ID and client secret? I can get it from here. This is my client. So these things are confidential and you should not share it with anyone. Anyway, for me, by the time the video will be up, I shall remove these applications altogether. So let me copy and let me paste it here. So that's the only change that we need to do. Now what happened? When we'll come here, our controller will call the get balance, balance. It will check, and based on the name, either it will display that your account is this, balance is this, or it will say that customer, sorry, no customer account find. Same as what we did in the Google login. So with this, let me build my application. Oops, sorry. So let me build. Skip stashed. done. Let me run the retail bank applications, and meantime let me do one thing. Let me log out from here and just keep it, and application is started. Let's go here and I give it my port number and all. Come on, 9004/balance, and it should take me to the Facebook login. So it is giving my email ID. You can try with your own email ID and give your password. Now it will log in. Sorry, something wrong, go back. Okay, I'm getting an error from the Facebook. That's fine, continue as an Amit. And yes, see this no customer found with the name Amit Datta. Basically what happened, if you see in this customer data, we have given it Amit Datta, all capital. So that's the reason. So what I can do, I just make a customer dot to uppercase. Okay, and now if I run my application, we'll see, we'll get it because here my name is lowercase. So let me go here, Facebook, let me take a new window again, and I give 9004/balance, and give my password, and oops, we are working as soon as you can, but yeah, here it is showing. So I think there is some issue from the Facebook, and let me try it again. New window. Yeah, you can see this one. It is coming, hello, your balance is this. So just a second. Let me log out from my Facebook account and let's try it again. New window. Balance. So there is some issue from the Facebook and to redirect, but this is how you can see this one. If I click go back, they are redirecting me there, and we can see the balance and all these things. So you can try the same with your own Facebook ID, and you may get in this case the message that this one sorry, no customer found with it, this is your Facebook account name. Or if you want to see this message, then you just go here and add your name. So this is how we can implement and secure a microservice with Facebook login. Okay, so with this I stop here, and we will meet in a new sessions on microservice security. So where we will create our own Oauth server or configure our Oauth server using Azure Identity Manager, and we will deep dive much detail in the security. Meantime, many times I told that these things are secret and I am keeping it here. This is not a good practice what we should do in a production grade code. So maybe before I proceed further, I shall show you how we can keep secret key and values in a vault called HashiCorp Vault or Azure Vault and use it. So I shall cover these things in my upcoming videos. So many more things to come. So guys, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and definitely put your comments. That will encourage us to produce more such content. Thank you and see you in the next sessions.